ICT Week started on 5th August 2019, and after the opening ceremony, a tech quiz was organized in which 4 teams participated, and Team C and D were joint winners of the tech quiz. On day 2 of the ICT Week, event TekhnoResearch was organized in which students from class 9th to 12th participated and gave presentation on topics like augmented reality, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, etc.
Humans are the most intelligent species till now on the earth.
As we all know, playing games improve cognitive ability, increases the eye-hand coordination and have many other benefits too. So on day 3, CSGO gaming competition was organized in which 2 teams of 4 participated. On last year of the ICT Week, event TekhnoSensation was organized in which students from class 9th to 12th gave presentation on sensational gadgets and technologies which are in development.
So what is Arpan Plus? So it's a wireless device that accurately tracks your brain waves with the help of EEG sensors.
Then prizes were distributed. And all this ended with a speech by senior wing head Mr. Anand Kumar.
आप नया इन्वेंट करके हमें दे रहे हो और हमें आज भी नहीं समझ में आता. True.